If your phone has a problem and do not charge, don't worry. I got you, my boy. Just take a fork, put your phone down, and just sit back. My apologies, folks, for whatever that was. But anyway, if you've had trouble charging your phone, this video is for you. And if you own a phone, you definitely have a PIN key. Without further ado, just take your pinky, put it right in the charging port, and just gently remove all the dust from inside. Don't rush, because if you do, you will definitely damage the charging port. And after that, just try again to charge your phone, and good to go.